here goes out to everyone that has lost someone that you truly love. Check it out. Seems like yesterday we used to rock the show. I laced the track, you locked the flow. So far from hanging on the block for dough. Notorious, they got to know that life ain't always what it seems to be. Words can't express what you mean to me. Even though you're gone, we're still a team. To your family, I fulfill your dream. In the future, can't wait to see if you open up the gates for me. Reminisce sometime the night they took my friend. Try to plug it out, but it plays again. When it's real, feelings hard to conceal. Can't imagine all the pain I feel. Give anything to hear half your breath. I know you're still living your life after death.
Every move I make, every single day, every time I pray, I'll be missing you. Thinking of the day when you went away. What I like to take, what I want to break, I'll be missing you.
It's kind of hard when you're not around, knowing you in heaven, smiling down, watching us while we pray for you. Every day we pray for you, till the day we meet again. In my heart is where I keep a friend. Memories give me the strength I need to proceed, strength I need to believe. My thoughts big, I just can't define. Wish I could turn back again sometime. I'll stay the sixth, shop for new clothes and kicks. You and me taking flicks, making hits, they just to receive you on. Still can't believe you're gone. Give anything to hear half your breath. I know you're still living your life after death.
Every move I make, every single day, every time I pray, I'll be missing you. Thinking of the day when you went away. What I like to take, what I want to break, I'll be missing you. Somebody tell me why.
One glad morning, when this life is over, I know I'll see your face. Every night I pray, every step I take, every move I make, every single